Hello everyone, I hope you're doing great. Guys, in today's video, we are going to learn how to make amazing facial toners at home, and we will also learn to make a facial mask. So these toners will give you an amazing hydrated skin, treats sunburn and prevents premature aging. It will prevent your skin from acne and pigmentation, shrinks the pores, and it is best for oily skin. For this, we'll be needing a cucumber. First of all, we'll peel the cucumber and then we'll cut the cucumber into chunks. It's up to you. I will use a juicer to extract the juice of the cucumber. You can grate it as well if you want. So now here is the juice of the cucumber. Guys, this cucumber toner is excellent for oily skin and it keeps your skin healthy and happy due to high water content. So we'll add a teaspoon of rose water in it, and then we'll add a capsule of vitamin E. You know the benefits of vitamin E. So we'll put vitamin E into our cucumber juice. We have added the rose water and now we are going to mix it nicely. Guys, I have transferred the cucumber toner into this spray bottle and I'm going to spray it twice a day, once in the morning and before going to bed. You will love the results. Guys, now we are going to learn how to make the other toner. So this is a rice water toner and it's excellent for glowy glass skin. It has anti-aging properties and it improves the elasticity of the skin. It minimizes the pores. Have you seen the Korean girls? They are so beautiful. They have glassy skin because they use this. So now first of all, we take some rice and soak it in some water. Let it be soaked for half an hour. After half an hour, you can just extract the water from the rice. Pour this toner in a spray bottle and use it on your face twice a day. It will also help in shrinking the pores. It's time for the mask now. We need 1 teaspoon of rice flour. Rice flour is excellent for anti-aging and minimizing the pores. In this rice flour, we are going to add 2 teaspoons of curd. And here we have a capsule of vitamin E. We are going to put this capsule in this flour and mix it properly. Once it's mixed, we apply to our skin. And you need to do this thing, put this mask on your skin at least once a week and then you see the results. Okay, now we have another mask. This is made with the egg white. We take some egg white and put half teaspoon of honey in it. Mix it properly and apply to your skin. You can use this mask once a week. Excellent for acne, pimples and acne scarring. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.